Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we are learning ayah number 200 of Surah Al Imran. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. يا أيها الذين آمنوا اصبروا وصابروا ورابطوا واتقوا الله لعلكم تفلحون. Yeah, keep ya light, make it 4 counts long. Ay, Hamza is very sharp. Fatha upon jaws attach it. Yeah, yeah will get number, and number is a jump of sound. Whenever ya and wow are with tashdid, we'll get a number. Ay, and for Dhamma is very short. You, hal, for Fatha upon your jaws, attach it. Lam will get sip off the wasut. Hal, for Fatha is short. La, the, 2 counts long. Na, short. Hamza is 2 counts long. And sound is very sharp. Ma, short. No, 2 counts long. Sorry, it's not 2 counts long. It is attached with sword. So this 2 counts long vowel will be dropped. Nus. Sword will get Rokhawa and Safir, and it is heavy. Nus B for Kasra give E sound. Oru 2 counts long. Ua for wow circle ellipse for Fatha open your jaws. Saw 2 counts long. B for Kasra give E sound. Oru 2 counts long. And for Dhamma circle ellipse and Ra is heavy. Ua for wow circle ellipse for Fatha open jaws. Ra is heavy. When Ra is with Fatha or Dhamma, it is heavy. And it is 2 counts long. Ra B for Kasra E sound. To is heavy. And circle ellipse for Dhamma. And make it 2 counts long. What Ta has no vowel sound. For Fatha open for vowel, Fatha open your jaws. For Dhamma, circle ellipse. For wow, the makhraj of wow is circling your lips. For Fatha open your jaws and attach with ta. Ta will have no flow of sound. What and ta for Fatha open your jaws, the sound is very short. Ta ul qaf for Dhamma, circle your lips. And make qaf heavy, attach it. Lafz jalala. Lafz jalala will be heavy because you can see Dhamma before it. Full law, and it is 2 counts long. Ha short. La short. Al squeeze throat well for Fatha open your jaws, attach with lam. Lam will get sip of tawassut. Al, and for Fatha open your jaws, the sound is very short. La kum for the circle ellipse, attach with mim will get sip of tawassut. Kum tuf for the circle ellipse, attach with fa. Fa will get hums. And hums is a flow of sound, flow of breaths, flow of breaths. To flee for kasra give E sound. Hoon, temporary sukoon, because of waqf has turned this 2 counts vowel into 4 counts, and this is madarid li sukoon. Tuflihun, and noon will get sifa of the wasat because of sukoon on it. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. وإن من أهل الكتاب لمن يؤمن بالله وما أنزل إليكم وما أنزل إليهم خاشعين لله لا يشترون بآيات الله ثمنا قليلا أولئك لهم أجرهم عند ربهم إن الله سريع الحساب. يا أيها الذين آمنوا اصبروا وصابروا ورابطوا واتقوا الله لعلكم تفلحون. سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.